Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Friends, now in the curfew hours, you can go for the shopping for your grocery and other things of nearby of your area. Some any cooperative society or other available registered shopping centers, whatever you have. And just what you need an civil ID number of your valid civil ID number with your serial number and an valid email. So that information you need to put on the website, and then you can get an appointment to go in the curfew hours for your grocery or other shopping center of any jamia, you can say. And this is let me start how to do that. Just you need to know that the web address is www.moci.shop. So this is the website that can you use to any browser, and when you type this you will get a website, and this is the main website. From that you can get the appointment for your shopping. So it comes in the default in Arabic. So just change the language, just click on this icon and choose the English language. It will become English. So you will see a couple of field there. So just fill this field like civil ID. I'm hiding it because I don't want to show some of my personal data. And then you use the serial number on the same civil ID. When you type all these two fields and when you press the enter, automatically your name and your district area name will appear on the screen. So you will see as we press the enter, it bring your full name and the district Farvania, like my name and the Farvania. And then you need to type for the other fields your email address and the phone number, because this email address will get the appointment. So that's why it should be a valid email that later on you can see your appointment in your email. So now fill the remaining fields. So now you need to choose which timing you want, and from which jamia you want, or which cooperative you want, and just booking destination. And when you click on it, so and they are also mentioning that the email should be valid, and because you will get it here. So when you click here, you will see I click on the Farvania, and you can choose more markets there. So there is two things are available there. One is the address that already mentioned on your civil ID, or maybe you are living in another area that not belongs to your civil ID address. So then you choose this red one. So I'm choosing this green one, and I saw immediately the Farvania, and then this time is appears here. So just book your day and time when you want. Just choose the time and click, and then you can change your time if you want, or otherwise just see the information. It is if according to you, then confirm the booking, and then you will see this pass or this two bar. This is two QR codes. The green one is for the police if you are found outside in the curfew hours. So if you show that, they will not say you anything. Okay, you are allowed to go to shopping. Another blue is for the jamia guys, that really you get the time appointment from the website. So you are eligible to go to the jamia or cooperative society inside, so you can do your shopping for the grocery or any other things, whatever is available according to your selection of the jamia or cooperative society. So you can get a printout of it. And what if you lost this and you forget, what is it, how to see your appointment? There is a small way to collect it. First is go to your email, and you can see you will see same as appearing on the screen. This is the appointment booking here. The important is your booking reference, and when you click on the click here icon, this blue, so you will reach to the again on the website. Or otherwise the second way is to check your screenshot, what I told you initially that it is important. So take it the screenshot, so you can utilize this also in your computer or in your mobile, wherever you copy it. And the third one is go to retrieve it from the website, or cancel your booking if you want So whenever you go to the website, you can see the first rightmost red button, so you can cancel your booking. Maybe you have planned later to go there, or there is a search appointment. You need only two things: civil ID number as well as the booking reference, what is written on the curfew pass or a shopping pass. So just type it, and when you press the search, you will see all your data with the this QR codes. So that's it. This is what you need actually. So you can save it for your further shopping, and that's it. Very easy, nothing difficult. So if you like it, please subscribe this channel. It is actually a love from your side, and it will get us motivation to make more videos for you. Thank you very much. See you with the other new video or news. Thank you very much.